Now I am going to discuss the next question, that is in paper 1 physics code 9 question number 32, right. In the given question, a metal rod of length and mass m is pivoted at one end, right. A thin disc of capital M mass and radius capital R, which is less than capital R, L, is attached at its center to the free end of the rod. Consider two cases the disc is attached. Case A, the disc is not free to rotate about its center, and case B, the disc is rotate about its center, right. The rod disc system performs SHM in vertical plane after being released from the same displaced position. Which of the following statements are true, right. In the given figure, this is about displaced position. Draw the ability of this question. Weight capital M of the disc will be acting vertically downward, right, and the weight of the rod will be acting vertically downward, small m, right. In case A, this disc is not free to rotate, right, and in second case, case B, this is free to rotate about this axis, right. But in both cases, in case A as well as in case B, the restoring torque is same about this point of oscillation, right, because the weight of this torque, the torque of these weights in both cases are same. Then which option will be correct? First option is correct from this. In both cases, the torque, restoring torque is same. Then we will go for the next options, if possible, if it is correct. In case A, if the disc is not free to rotate, it will oscillate along with the rod. In this case, the moment of inertia about the axis of rotation will be moment of inertia of the disc about its center of mass and plus m L square and the moment of inertia of the rod itself. And we know that the frequency of oscillation is some constant upon moment of inertia about point of oscillation, right. If it is free to rotate, the disc will behave like a point mass. In this case, the moment of inertia will be less. Then in case A, moment of inertia is suppose Ia. In case B, moment of inertia of the system about point of oscillation is Ib. Then Ia is greater than Ib. If Ia is greater than Ib, then omega will be less in case of A than in case of B, right. Then now the second option is D. The correct options are option A and second option is, correct option is D. Now the answer will be A and D, right.